Hi there, my name's Kaye Frankcom. I'm a clinical and counselling psychologist and I operate a practice here in Williamstown called Kaye Frankcom and Associates. We are a group psychology practice, which means there's 10 psychologists here at our practice, and we've been operating here in Williamstown for 15 years. When you make contact with Kaye Frankcom and Associates, you will get to speak to me and I will have an initial phone consultation with you, which is completely free of charge, to discuss your needs, our fees, and to match you with the right psychologist for you. This is extremely important so as to maximise the most effective outcome for you attending a psychologist here at Kaye Frankcom and Associates. In my experience, seeking psychological treatment is a very big step. A lot of people find it to be a most difficult decision to make. It means that they have to consider whether their problem is bad enough that they need to talk to somebody about it, and they often have to admit that problem to themselves. So you get to talk to me about what your needs are, what's led you to discuss with your GP or your friends and family that you think that it's time that you went to see a psychologist about something that's happening in your life. It might be something really big, it might be something small, but it's definitely a significant event, I think, that propels people towards the idea of seeking out a psychologist or seeking out counselling. We are registered professionals. We have to achieve a certain level of qualification to be recognised as psychologists, and also our fees are abatable through Medicare. These are all signs that psychology as a profession is seen by government and by the community as the appropriate place to go for mental health assistance. All of our psychologists offer after-hours appointments, which makes it a lot easier for people who are working. Deciding to get psychological treatment is quite a difficult decision, and often people wonder why would you consider consulting a psychologist? Psychologists are trained in best evidence practice for mental health problems. We help people here to resolve those issues every day in the practice on a daily basis. And we find that when people come to our practice, they're surprised at how quickly they can actually overcome issues that they've been dealing with often for years. We have a number of psychologists here who specialise in different difficulties. So we have psychologists who specialise in anxiety, in depression, in trauma, childhood abuse, chronic pain, personality difficulties, work issues, work injuries, motor vehicle accident injuries. We're really well regarded and respected by GPs and referrers in our area, so much so that we have over 350 GPs who regularly refer to us. So whether you want to see somebody and you're an individual adult, or you are looking for somebody to see a couple, or you have an adolescent or child that you would like to see a psychologist, we have the right psychologist here for you.